Dear students, welcome to my classroom. In previous class, we completed some problems in exercise 6.2 which are related to arithmetic progression, and in this class we continue the same exercise. So exercise 6.2, take the next question. Find the respective terms for the following APs. So in this problem, we have third question. A1 is equal to 5, A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2, and to find A2, comma A3. So students, so here it is given that in this progression, in this arithmetic progression, the first term A1 is 5, and the fourth term A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2, and we need to find A2 and A3. So given A is equal to A1 is equal to 5, we know that A1 is the first term of the AP. So A is equal to A1, which is equal to 5. And also given that A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2. And we know that nth term of an AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So that we can write A4 as A plus 3D. So A plus 3D is equal to 9 1 by 2. So as we have A is equal to 5, we can substitute A is equal to 5. So that 5 plus 3D is equal to 9 1 by 2. And 3D is equal to 9 1 by 2 minus 5, which is equal to 4 1 by 2. But 4 1 by 2 is 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So that D is equal to 9 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 3 by 2 or 1 1 by 2. So now we need to find A2 and A3. We find the first term and common difference. Using these two, we can find any terms of given arithmetic progression. So now take A2, and we have A2 is equal to A plus D. That is, A is 5 and D is 1 by 2. So that 5 plus 1 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 1 by 2. And A3 is A plus 2D. That is 5 plus 2 into D is 3 by 2. And this one is equal to 5 plus 3 and is equal to 8. Therefore, A2 is equal to 6 1 by 2. A3 is equal to 8. So let's take the next one. A1 is equal to minus 4. A6 is equal to 6. Find A2, A3, A4, A5. So here also the first term A1 is given. So A is equal to A1 is equal to minus 4. And also given that A6 is equal to 6. That is sixth term of given AP is 6. And we know that A6 is A plus 5D. So that A plus 5D is equal to 6. And we can substitute A is equal to minus 4 in this equation. So we can write minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. From this, we can write 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. That is 5D is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. Now, we need A2. And A2 is A plus D. So that 6 plus 2, that is minus 4 plus 2 and is equal to minus 2. And A3 is A plus 2D. That is minus 4 plus 2 into 2 and is equal to minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. And similarly, A4 is A plus 3D is equal to 2. And A5 is A plus 4D. That is minus 4 plus 4 into 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus 8 and is equal to 4. So A2 is equal to minus 2, A3 is equal to 0, A4 is equal to 2, and A5 is equal to 4. Okay. Now take the next one. A2 is equal to 38, A6 is equal to minus 22. Find A1, A3, A4, A5. So that in this progression given A2 is equal to 38. And we know that A2 is A plus D. So we can write it as A plus D is equal to 38 and take it as equation 1. From this we can write a is equal to 38 minus d. Take it as equation 1. And also given that a6 is minus 22. But a6 is a plus 5d. So we can take a plus 5d in place of a6. So a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. But from equation 1, we have a is equal to 38 minus d. So that we can substitute a is equal to 38 minus d in this equation. So 38 minus d plus 5d is equal to minus 22. That is minus d plus 5d is 4d. And transforming 38 to right side, we have 4d is equal to minus 22 minus 38 and is equal to minus 60. So the d is equal to minus 60 by 4 and is equal to minus 15. And by substituting d is equal to minus 15 in equation 1, we get the value of a also. So a is equal to 38 minus of minus 15, which is equal to 53. So now first term a is equal to 53, d is equal to minus 15. So first one we need is a1 is equal to a is equal, which is equal to 53, and a3 is equal to 53 plus 2d, because a3 is equal to a plus 2d. 53 plus 2d, that is 53 plus 2 into minus 15, which is equal to 23, and a4 is equal to a plus 3d and is equal to 53 plus 3 into minus 15 and is equal to 8, and a5 is a plus 4d, 53 plus 4 into minus 15 and is equal to 53 minus 60, that is minus 7. Therefore a1 is equal to 53, a3 is equal to 23, a4 is equal to 8 and a5 is equal to minus 7. These are our required values. So take the fourth question of exercise. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? So it is asking that in the given AP, which term is 78? 3 is the first term, 8 is the second term, 13 is third term. In that manner, which term is 78? Okay. So given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. So in this AP, we have a is equal to 3. That is first term a is equal to 3. And a is equal to 3. And common difference d is equal to, we know that a2 minus a1 and is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Now, it is asking that which term of the given progression is 78. Let us consider that the nth term of given AP be 78. So that is an is equal to 78. And we know the formula for an, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So that that is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. And we know the values of a and d here. So we can substitute a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 5 in this equation. That is 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. And by simplifying this equation, n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3 and is equal to 75. And from this we can write n minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5, and which is equal to 15. So from this we have n is equal to 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. That is 16th term of given AP is 78. As we have taken n, as we have got n is equal to 16, and we have taken nth term of given AP is 78. So the 16th term of given AP is 78. So that is the solution of this equation. This is this problem, and this is the important problem in for any type of exams. That is for competitive exams and for board exams. This type of questions are very important. So observe this problem carefully. Now take the next one. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So first one, 7, 13, 19 up to 205. So it is given that how many terms are there in this progression. Okay. So in given progression, the first term a is 7 and the common difference d is a2 minus a1. We know that, and is equal to 13 minus 7 and is equal to 6. So we have first term is 7, second term is 13, third term is 19, and which term is this 205? If we can find that which term is 205, then we can say easily that what is the number of terms in this progression. So let the number of terms in given AP be n. Now this is the nth term. Okay, then the nth term of given AP is 205. As the number of terms in given AP be n, and 205 is the last term, and therefore the nth term of this AP is 205. That is an is equal to 205, and we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, so that we have a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 205, and from this we can write 7 plus n minus 1 into 6 is 205, and by simplifying this equation, like earlier problem, we get n is equal to 34. Therefore the number of terms in given progression is 34. Okay, now take the next one, that is second one. 18, 15 and a half, 13 up to minus 47. So here also a is equal to 18 and the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 15 and a half minus 18 is equal to minus 2 and a half, that is minus 5 by 2. And here also take the number of terms even given APB n. As the number of terms is n and minus 47 is the last term, then nth term is minus 47. That is an is equal to minus 47. That is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 47. And by substituting a is equal to 18 and d is equal to minus 5 by 2, and by simplifying we get the value of n minus 1 as 26. So that n is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. Therefore there are 27 terms in given arithmetic progression. Okay, take the next problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So here we have to verify that the number minus 150 is exist in this progression or not. So first take the given AP. In given AP, A is equal to 11 and the common difference d is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. So let us consider that the minus 150 exists in this progression, and this minus 150 be nth term. Let nth term of given AP be minus 150. That is an is equal to minus 150. And by substituting an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we get 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. And by simplifying this, we get n is equal to 164 by 3. But here the 164 by 3 is not an integer. Okay, since it is not an integer, the term minus 150 is not in given AP. If n is the integer, then the number of terms, so then 150 exists in the given progression, but here n is not an integer, so minus 150 does not exist in given AP. Okay, so take the seventh one. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, students, this is also important model for every exam. So Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of given AP. So after finding A and D, we can find any term of the progression. Okay. So here it is given that the 11th term of AP is 38 and 16th term is 73, and we need 31st term of the progression. So A11 is 38 and A16 is 73. 11th term, that is A11 is 38, and 16th term, that is A16 is 73. Now take A11 is 38, and we know that A11 is A plus 10D, because an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that A11 is a plus 10d. So we can write a plus 10d is equal to 38. Take it as equation 1. And also we have A16 is 73. And we know that A16 is a plus 15d. So that a plus 15d is equal to 73. So this is equation 2. And solving these two equations in eliminating method. So like a plus 10d is equal to 38, a plus 15d is equal to 73. And subtracting these two equations from subtracting equation 1 from 2, so we have to change the signs, and here plus a and minus will be cancelled, and 10d minus 15d, that is 5d, is equal to 38 minus 73, that is minus 35. So minus 5d is equal to minus 35. So from this we can write d is equal to minus 35 by minus 5, which is equal to 7. And now substituting this d is equal to 7 in equation, either equation 1 or 2, we get the value of a. So let us substitute the value d is equal to 7 in equation 1. Then a plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. That is a plus 70 is equal to 38. And simplifying this one, we get a is equal to minus 32. Now we have a is equal to minus 32 and d is equal to 7. Now the 31st term of given AP which we have required is A31 is equal to A plus 30D, that is minus 32 plus 30 into D, because A is equal to minus 32 and D is equal to 7. And from this we get A31 is equal to 178. So the 31st term of given AP is 178. So take the 8th question. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So it is given that third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8 in an arithmetic progression. And we have to find that which term of the arithmetic progression is 0. Okay. So we don't know the values of first term and common difference. So we have to find these two values first. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference. And it is given that A3 is 4 and A9 is minus 8. So take A3 is equal to 4. And we know that A3 is A plus 2D. So we can write it as A plus 2D is equal to 4, which is equation 1. And from A9 is equal to minus 8, we can write A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Take this equation as 2. And here also solving these two equations, we get the values of A and D like this. So D is equal to minus 2. And substituting this value in equation 1, we get A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. From this we can write A minus 4 is equal to 4, that is A is equal to 4 plus 4 and D is equal to 8. So thus we get A is equal to 8, D equal to minus 2. And it is asking that which term of this progression is 0. So let us consider that nth term of this progression is 0. That is an is equal to 0. And we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 0. And substituting a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 2. And by simplifying this equation, we get n minus 1 is equal to 4, so that n is equal to 4 plus 1 and is equal to 5. That is the fifth term of the given arithmetic progression is 0. Okay. So take the ninth one. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay. So students, here it is given that 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. That is 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. Okay. So we need to find the common difference of the progression. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Now we can write that the 17th term of the progression exceeds its 10th term by 7 as A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. And we know that A17 is A plus 16D, A10 is A plus 9D. So we can write A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. And from this we can write 16D minus 9D is equal to A plus 7 minus A. So that 7D is equal to D 7 and D is equal to 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. So the common difference of given progression is 1. Okay. Take the 10th one. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th terms? Okay, here you have two APs in which common difference is same. It is given that the difference between their 100th terms is 100 and we need to find the difference between their 1000th terms. Okay, so let X be the first term of first AP and Y be the first term of second AP. As the common difference is same, take the common difference is D in both the arithmetic progressions. So there is let D be the common difference of both the APs. Now, given that difference between 100th terms is 100, we know that 100th term is A plus 99D. But we have taken the first term in first AP is X and second AP is Y. That is, the difference is X plus 99D minus Y plus 99D is 100. 100th term of first AP is X plus 99D. 100th term of second AP is Y plus 99D. And the difference is equal to 100. So that X plus 99D minus Y plus 99D is equal to 100. And from this we can write X plus 99D minus Y minus 99D is equal to 100. And we can cancel 99D here. So from this we get X minus Y is equal to 100. So take it as equation 1. Now we need to find the difference between their 1000th terms. That is X plus 999D minus Y plus 999D. Okay. So the difference between 1000th terms is X plus 999D minus Y plus 999D. And this one is equal to X plus 999D minus Y minus 999D. And by cancelling 990D, we remains with X minus Y. But we know that X minus Y is equal to 100 from equation 1. So we can substitute X minus Y is equal to 100 from equation 1. So the difference between their 1000th terms is also equal to 100. Okay. Okay, students, that's all for today. And in next class, we shall complete this exercise. Until then, see you. Bye.